Hello everybody. Wanted to give you guys an update on the closet, and let's go ahead and bring the model in here. So I kind of guessed on the size of the light, the window above the door there, but I wanted to give the effect of what's going to be visible, looking through the top of that guy. Um, so it'll be really cool to be able to see the top parts of the cabinets, especially if you do that. You guys decide you want to put some lighting up there, you can get the up light inside there. But let me turn this wall off real quick. Let's hide that. Okay. So a couple things. I wanted to throw this by you guys, and we have this element. It's called a ribbon and reed detail. And so we have the molding, the knife to make this molding that makes the ribbon and reed, and then this detail right here, we actually cast these out of pewter, and we have a bunch of different finishes. But I know you guys are using chrome in there, and you can see the ladder hardware. What I did is the company that I use, they have a chrome finish, so I put that in a chrome finish. But then these guys here, these would look really cool if they were over the white paint. So if the ribbon or the reed was painted white, and then we put these polished so they'll look like chrome. They're pewter, but they're because we can cast pewter. It's a pretty soft metal, but then we adhere those over the top of the painted finish. So it'd be a really neat, really cool element to have that the ribbon and reed if you guys like that detail. The ladder, once again, that guy, I don't have it turned on right now, but this hardware here and the down here, the wheels, they're chrome. And so we have a bead detail going on all the corners, and then a bead molding on the interior with the doors being flush inset with an applied molding. And can't really see it, but there's this is represented as glass. And I reached out. I think Denise was busy this weekend, but if you guys want to decorate these up and want to put some kind of mullions on these, we can add that. But as it stands right now, I just have a panel or a solid piece of glass. We can also do beveled glass if you guys want to want to entertain that. Over on this side here, I just put small, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger drawers here. We can customize this to whatever size you think you're going to use this guy for. And on the interiors of all of these guys, obviously we have a pair of doors here and a pair of doors over here. We can put a divider down the middle of this guy, and we can do one half with double rods and a long one here with some shelves. We can leave it open and just do rods all the way across. We have this one guy down here on the end. This would probably be a good spot for long clothes, depending on how much length you need for that kind of stuff. But once we get the exterior in the interior design, it should be pretty straightforward. But so let me know what you guys think. This guy right here, as you're standing there, so from the floor up to this guy here is about 64 and a half inches, 64 and a half to 65 inches. If we start bringing that up any higher, then this cabinet gets a little bit less useful. If we want to have this guy open, and I know we talked about putting a piece of mirror on this back wall here. So we could just do away with this cabinet if you wanted to, and there could just be a shelf across there like what we have here. Let me know what your thoughts are. This black line that's the outer part of the trim for your window, and same thing here. This black line here represents the outer edge of the trim on this guy. All right, so that is it. Put that guy back in there. Really like the way that's such a cool idea that you guys put that transom light up there. so you can see the tops of the cabinets and look up in there, because you got that chandelier coming down inside there. It's going to be stunning. So anyway, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon.